Hello, I'm Bishop Charles Young from Deliverance Tabernacle Christian Center, and I want to invite you to the singles event of the year. It will get started September the 12th through the 14th. And on that Wednesday night, we're going to have a brother to sister panel discussion, and it's going to be a bell ringing conversation because I will be facilitating this particular discussion. And on that Thursday night, we're going to have so much fun. We're going to have a guest speaker. Carolyn Williams is going to be with us, and we got all kinds of other entertainments that's going to really bless your life. And on that Friday night, we're going to have Dr. R.A. Vernon with us. He's already written a book that is called Rules for Dating. Listen, you do not want to miss this dynamic man of God. Now, it's not just for singles, but your married couples, you can learn something too. So we are inviting everybody. Now, if you need more information, call the number 850-479-1500. Come out and check us out. You're going to be blessed.